welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unboxing my kitchen toy. In this kitchen set, it have plates, fork, spoon, and knife. And here is a bowl, and there's spoon, and this is a big cup. This is a milk box with where we put milk. And this is a chicken pot. This is a tea pot, and this is a tea cups. Let's start open this set. If I open this without this, it's too hard to open this.
I help you?
Yes.
My mother tells me about it, and I also remember a bit. The time when I was too innocent, the time which was superb and excellent. I used to play with my toys, and my life filled with happiness and joys. Life was then exciting, but now it is becoming boring. I can't forget those days of mine. In darkness of my life, like the jewels, they all shine. By chance, due to good deeds of mine. If God will ask me for my wish at any time, I wish to becoming smart and good, but my first preference will be my childhood.